Thank you for taking 5 minutes out of your day to listen to my solution for how we are going to provide internet to the MDUs and townhouses in West Hartford and other surrounding towns. My name is Mark Leblanc from Leblanc Tech Services, and I won't take up any more of your time than I absolutely have to. In 2018, we started the task of upgrading the internet infrastructure in Connecticut, starting in West Hartford. At first, the fiber network was only available to freestanding homes with aerial service lines coming into the house. A lot of these MDUs and townhouses in West Hartford are older or were built before fiber was an option, and a retrofit is very cost prohibitive. However, internet is a utility now, and the pandemic has brought to light just how important fast, stable internet is to everybody, not just freestanding homes fed by aerial cables. Now it's 2021, and we aim to solve this issue. I think Bill Gates said it best. The internet is becoming the town square of the village of tomorrow. It's getting to the point where you don't even really need to live in a certain area to where you work. A lot of kids don't even need to be in the area to go to school. It's definitely past time we took this issue more seriously. The most cost-effective way I have found to date as a viable option is to have the service pumped into the building and have each of the units on a subnet, each with their own secure network. Good internet is not just a perk anymore. Ignoring internet quality has had severe consequences, as we've seen in 2020, making school and work difficult and frustrating to near impossible. If you live in an MDU or townhouse with at least 5 units in the same building, contact your building owner and tell them to contact us at 833-4LeBlanc. Or go on our website, leblanctechservices.com. If they won't listen to you, send us their contact information and we will reach out to them. Thank you, and please check out some of our other videos on cutting the cord, setting up Fire Sticks, reviews, and we also take requests. So if you have any videos you want to request, please just comment and we will get to them as soon as possible. Thank you.